What if your anger isn't a flaw, but a signal? What if the frustration you feel in your business, your career, that irritation, the quiet resentment, the internal agitation is not something to suppress, but something to interpret? James 1:19-21 tells us to be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to anger. It does not say anger does not exist. It says manage it. Let's talk about how high-achieving women can use anger strategically without losing composure. Anger is not the enemy here. Anger is God-created emotion. It signals injustice, misalignment, violation, underpositioning. So the problem is not anger. The problem is unmanaged anger. There's a specific type of anger I want to name today. Righteous discontent. It's the internal discomfort that rises when your reality no longer matches your capability. It's not rage. It's not drama. It's clarity trying to surface. Many high-achieving women suppress this. Maybe you feel overlooked, underpaid, under-acknowledged, underutilized. But instead of interpreting the signal, you silence it. And that is how shrinking continues. Here's how you know it's not toxic anger. You are not trying to destroy anyone. You are not plotting revenge. You are not emotional daily, and you simply feel like you're just done. Done with being underpositioned, done with playing small, done with being the reliable one, but not the visible one. This type of anger is often quiet. It sounds like, I can do more than this. I deserve strategic space. This is no longer aligned. That's not arrogance, that's awareness. And you can apply it professionally. James 1:19-21 says, be quick to listen, slow to speak, slow to anger. Do you notice that order? Listen first, interpret, then respond strategically. Anger becomes destructive when you react impulsively, but it becomes transformative when you process it intelligently. Look at what that scripture says. It says, get rid of moral filth and the evil that is so prevalent. In a professional context, that means remove ego, remove bitterness, remove emotional retaliation, then act from clarity. This is how you can use your anger strategically. I'll list a practical framework. Step 1, diagnose the trigger. Ask yourself, what am I angry about? What exactly is bothering me? Is it recognition? Is it compensation? Is it growth stagnation? Is it authority? Just name it. Because anger that is not labeled becomes gossip. But an anger that is labeled turns out to be a strategy. Step 2, separate ego from capacity. Why are you angry? Are you angry because your pride was bruised? Or because your potential is being underleveraged? Be honest. Only the second one is expansion. That's if your potential is being underleveraged, then you're on the right track. Step 3, convert your emotion into decision. Your anger should produce a skill upgrade, boundary resets, positioning shifts, role change, business pivots, not venting. You can't continue to nag. Nagging brings about nothing. It's not just about status change. It's not silent resentment. It's expansion. Take the step. Do you know why some women never expand? It's because they suppress this type of anger. This anger that I'm referring to, righteous discontent. They suppress it. They prioritize peace over positioning, comfort over capacity, approval over advancement. And without that internal agitation, they stay. Sometimes anger is the discomfort that is required to make you leave your comfort zone. Without it, you just rationalize stagnation. If you are in business, use your anger to increase pricing, refine positioning, drop misaligned clients, and expand your service offering. In the corporate world, you can use your anger strategically. You can use it to upskill into enterprise visibility, initiate compensation review, shift to influence. For those not really doing anything right now, those that are currently idle but capable, use that anger to stop waiting, start skill building, and start visibility building. Stop hiding behind later, stop the postponement. Righteous anger says, this version of me is outdated. Stop shrinking, start expanding. Not emotionally, but strategically. Your anger is not meant to burn bridges. It's meant to illuminate misalignment. Use it, process it, convert it, and act on it. Then you take the final step to move forward calmly. If you need clear guidance on this so that you can do this strategically, visit ifecos.com for more. You can register there for our structured guidance. Thank you for stopping by.